You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. As you stroll along the Rio Cuale in Puerto Vallarta, you're walking through one of the city's most historic and peaceful settings. Flowing from the lush Sierra Madre Mountains to the Pacific Ocean, the river has long been a lifeline for the region, shaping both its landscape and daily life. Right here in the heart of town, a powerful tropical storm in the 1920s reshaped the river's course, creating the Isla Rio Cuale, a green oasis that still divides the city into two vibrant neighborhoods today. As you follow the shaded pathways, you'll pass swaying palms, artisan markets, and the sounds of water rushing over the smooth stones. The nearby Mercado Rio Cuale, with roots dating back to the 1950s, reflects the traditions of local vendors who once sold homemade meals and crafts along the riverbanks. Bridges like the iconic Puente Rio Cuale, built in 1959 through community effort, connect both sides of the city, symbolizing the spirit and resilience of Puerto Vallarta. Today, walking along the Rio Cuale is more than just a scenic escape. It's a journey through the history, culture, and the heart of Vallarta itself. Thank you for exploring with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.